Welcome! You have already manipulated the configuration of your broker, so now you will learn how to configure the access. This can be done with the Coreflux hub, which is visually intuitive, or with commands inside the broker itself. First, you need a user with allowed system configuration. The root user is authorized as standard. Then go to sys coreflux command. You can type -h for the help command and check all available commands installed in Coreflux. For example, these are the commands for adding and removing users, changing passwords, etc. We strongly recommend to always use this in a broker prepared with transport layer security. This demo shows how to set up the commands, but you should use open standard protocol encryption. Moving on, type add user followed by the username and password. Send the command and you can see it's done. Let's test connecting as the new user. It's working, but as you can see, this user cannot access any commands. Let's reconnect as the root user so we can change that. Under sys coreflux config users, you can see that the new user does not have allowed system configuration. So, let's go to sys coreflux command, use the help command again, and find change user settings. Type -change user settings followed by the username, the setting name, which is allowed system configuration, and the value true. When you hit publish, you'll effectively create another administrator. If you have an edge broker connected to a central broker, these changes can be sent via an MQTT topic, and it changes the configuration of this user within the central broker. Let's test if the new user is configured correctly. Connect as the user, and now you can see the sys. Let's change this user's password to test their admin privileges. Start with our trusty help command and find change user password. Make sure you type the command properly, followed by the username and the new password. We recommend using a very strong password like this. Click publish, get a success message, and try the new password. Done and dusted. Please note that any user with this access level can remove other admin users. With the command remove user, they can even disconnect the standard root user. Just like that. All of this important information is on docs.coreflux.org, including details on TLS and its importance against vulnerabilities to man-in-the-middle attacks and the like. Beware of changing user settings and passwords without proper broker encryption. See you on the next tutorial.